Changing a wheel bearing is a task that requires some mechanical knowledge and specialized tools. Here are the steps involved in changing a wheel bearing. First, you will need to jack up the vehicle and remove the tire. Next, you will need to remove the brake caliper and rotor. Depending on the type of vehicle you have, you may need to use a specialized tool to remove the caliper. Once the brake components are removed, you will be able to access the wheel bearing. You will need to remove the hub assembly from the spindle, which may require the use of hammer and a chisel of a hub puller. Once the hub assembly is removed, you can access the wheel bearing. You will need to remove the retaining clip or bolt that holds the bearing in place. To remove the bearing, you will need to use a press or a bearing puller. Once the old bearing is removed, you can press the new bearing into place using a press or a hammer and a block of wood. Reassemble the hub assembly, brake components and tire and lower the vehicle. It's important to note that changing a wheel bearing can be a difficult task and may require the use of specialized tools. If you are not comfortable or experienced with automotive repairs, it may be best to have a professional mechanic handle the job for you.